Honorable Mpuga left the issue of the missing 18. He left the issue of the prisoners. And he was on it. And they had applied too much pressure. When this gentleman takes charge, you can see the ineptness. There is no follow-up at all. What happened to the missing 18? Where are they? What's the problem with the prisoners? So he has not followed up on that line. Secondly, creating harmony among all opposition political groups. You know, as Sam says, we have NUP, we have FDC, we have DP, we have UPC, and the rest. Joel has completely failed to create harmony, harmonize all these interests. And the mere act that a NUP MP beat up an FDC is the clear testimony that there is no harmony, and therefore the leader of opposition is not doing his work. You also remember on the issue of Parliament going to Gulu, to the north, while NUP boycotted, some even NUP MPs went, the UPC went, and all the others really went. Meaning that there is completely no harmony, and every MP in opposition is acting out of their own will without any proper guidance. Finally, meetings. President Museveni over the weekend invited his caucus. And here very many times he invites them in the State House, he invites them in Kisozi, he invites them everywhere. When has Joel ever invited a meeting of the opposition caucus? When he has a budget of 4 billion. What is the budget of 4 billion doing? So we are seeing a failure on the part of leadership inside Parliament. We are seeing incompetence. We are seeing